a point on the parabola y square is equal to 18x here, at which the ordinate is increases at the twice the rate of abscissa. Okay, that is here they given dy upon dx is equal to 10 because they given ordinate increases. Okay, means y is equal to 2x here. Okay, ordinate increases as twice the abscissa. Its differentiation is dy upon dx is equal to 10. X differentiation is 1 here. 1 into 2 becomes a 2 here. So dy upon dx is equal to 2 here. And here the given parabola is y square equal to 18x here. Then its differentiation is 2y into dy upon dx is equal to 18 here. X differentiation is 1 here. Take a 2y, that's there. 2 1s are 2 9s are cancels here. Yes, dy upon dx is equal to 2 1s are 2 9s here. So it is 9 divided by y. Okay. So just equate it here. Both equate it here. Here's 9 upon y is equal to 2 here. Therefore 9 upon 2. 9 upon 2 is equal to y. Okay, cross multiply. Here they given dy upon dx is equal to 2 here. And if you differentiate, we get this one. Therefore equate it here. 9 upon y is equal to 2 here. Then cross multiply. 9 upon 2 is equal to y. Okay. Then use this value in the given curve here. Yes, sir. 9 upon 2. 9 upon 2, it's a square, is equal to 18 x here. Then the 9 square is 81 here. And the 2 square is 4. Take 18 this side here. Into 18 here. That is equal to x here. Okay. Then can cancel here. So 9 2s yes, 9 2s are 18 here. 9 9s are. Hence x is equal to 9 divided by 4 2s are 8 here. X equal to 9 upon 8. Therefore the required point here x comma y is 9 divided by 8 comma 9 divided by 3 here. So fourth option is correct here. 9 by 8 comma 9 by 3. So the normal to the curve at p xy meets the x-axis at the point G if the distance of G from the origin is twice the abscissa of P, then the curve is first option is a circle, second option hyperbola, third option ellipse, fourth option is a parabola. Means so there is a curve here. Okay, there is a curve. Okay, and this x-axis and y-axis here, and this is a normal here. This is a tangent, then this is a normal here. This normal meets x-axis at the point here. Okay, and here take this point as x comma y here. Okay, here is the origin. What they given here? If the distance of the point here, distance of the point G from origin here, this distance here. Okay, distance of the point G from the origin is twice the abscissa of the point P here. Twice the abscissa of the point P is here x axis is the x coordinate is the abscissa here. Okay, here this distance is twice the abscissa of this point x here. Abscissa means x here. So 2x here means OG is equal to 2x. OG, okay, this distance. If you consider this point as x comma 0 here. Okay, therefore x is equal to 2 into x here. Distance means obviously y coordinate is 0 here. Then this distance becomes x here. Okay, this distance is x here, and this distance is y coordinate here. Sorry, abscissa of the point B. Abscissa is x here. So 2 into x here. Okay, they given here the distance of the point here. This distance is equal to twice the abscissa of the point B here means 2x here. X equal to 2x. Okay, then which one is correct here? Circle, hyperbola, ellipse or parabola. Okay. Therefore, equation of the normal here. equation of normal at the point pxy is okay, y minus of y is equal to minus of dx divided by dy into bracket x minus of x here. Okay, here y minus y is equal to, you know, equation of the normal minus 1 by m here. M is dy upon dx. Take dy by dx to numerator, it gives dx upon dy minus dx upon dy into bracket x minus x here. This is the equation of normal here. So this normal means x axis at the point here. Consider coordinate of point G is x comma 0. Okay, so this normal, this normal means x axis at G. At that point coordinate is x comma 0. Therefore substitute y is equal to 0. So 0 minus of y is equal to minus of dx divided by dy is equal to, okay, therefore x y into here into, okay, into x minus x here. So x minus of x. Okay, just replace y by 0. 0 minus small y is equal to minus dx upon dy is equal to, replace x by x only, x minus of x here. Okay, then here this minus and this minus becomes a plus here. Take this on this side here, it becomes dy upon dx. Hence y into dy upon dx is equal to x minus x here. Okay, take this on this side here, minus this minus becomes plus here. Then y into, take its reciprocal, dy upon dx equal to x minus x here. Take minus x this side here. Okay, so x plus y into dy upon dx is equal to x here. Okay, therefore take a minus x this side here, x plus y into dy upon dx equal to x here. Therefore here g becomes, okay, therefore g is equal to, therefore here coordinate of the point g is x plus y into dy upon dx comma 0. We just replace x by this again, x plus y into dy upon dx comma 0. Okay, so here given that modulus of x plus y into dy upon dx is equal to modulus of 2x here. Okay, distance of g from the origin is equal to twice the axis of the point P here, twice the axis of the point P. Axis is the x coordinate here. So if you remove this modulus here, then it becomes plus or minus here. Hence x plus y into dy upon dx is equal to plus or minus 2x here, plus or minus 2x. Hence x plus y into dy upon dx is equal to x here, or x plus y into dy upon dx is equal to minus of 2x here. Take care, first time plus 2x here, and then second time take care minus of 2x here. Okay, now multiplying both sides by dx here, multiplying both sides by dx, we get x into dx plus y into dy, that is equal to 2x into dx here, or okay, multiplying both sides by dx. Even here also multiplying both sides by dx here, so x into dx plus y into dy is equal to minus 2x into dx here. Okay, minus 2x into dx. Okay. Then simplify it. In this case, take x dx, that's it here. So y into dy. Y into dy is equal to 2x minus x becomes only x here. X into dx here. Okay, take x dx right side here. 2x dx minus x dx is x dx here. Or okay, take minus 2x dx this side here, minus become plus 2x dx plus x dx, 3x dx here, 3x dx plus y into dy is equal to 0. Okay, is equal to 0. You want to take y dy right side here, it gives x dx minus of y dy is equal to 0. That is take y dy right side here, x dx minus y dy is equal to 0, or 3x dx plus y dy is equal to 0. Now you want to integrate here. So integrate here. So there is a formula in the integration. Integration of x into dx is x square divided by 2x. It's one formula in integration. Yes, I integrate on both sides here. Integration of x is x square divided by 2 minus integration of y square divided by 2 is equal to here some constant here. Take some constant. It is called integrating a constant here. Okay. Even here also 3 into integration of x is x square divided by 2 plus integration of y is y square divided by 2 is equal to right here integration of constant here. So take this one as c1 and this one as c2. c1 c2 are integrating a constant here. Then multiplying both sides by 2 here. Okay, just multiplying both sides by 2 here gives x square minus y square is equal to 2c1 here. And here also multiplying both sides by 2 here. So 3x square plus y square is equal to 2 into c2. Okay, here x square minus y equal to constant here. And here 3x square plus y square equal to 2c2 here. It is also constant here. You know that if the equation in this form is x square by a square plus y square divided by b square is equal to 1 here, then it is a ellipse here. If the equation in this form is x square divided by a square minus of y square upon b square is equal to 1, then it is a hyperbola here. Okay, so if you are dividing both sides by 2, c1 here, right side becomes 1 here, then this is in the form of x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Means it is a hyperbola. Even here also if you are dividing both sides by 2, c2 here, it gives the equation in this form here, then obviously it is a ellipse here. Therefore the curve is either hyperbola or ellipse here. Curve is either hyperbola or ellipse. Okay, in this case B as well as C correct option is B as well as C. Okay, either hyperbola or ellipse. This is the answer.